Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Elliott Vision. Let's start with the SP500 indices. So, if we go towards the daily time frame, market going overall in the bullish side. As after this wave, brown wave 3 and 4, now we are in the wave 1 of this brown wave 5. So, overall, we are in the bullish side and market go from one point to another point like the start of group to 6500 at this point. At this point, so now market this point 6500 act as a tested support, give us the first high A, B and C, and now market going towards this 7200, 700 and 7200, and the group 2 we are looking for the end of group 2 like 8000. So now, okay, so now market go towards the bullish side like this as a wave 5, wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and wave 5. After that wave 5 may go like at this point. After that we will go towards the bearish side. Or now, as of now, if market at this point 6500, the start of group 2, act as a tested resistance like arrival reaction first low below level, then we will go towards the bearish side. But as of now the indices and the US stocks going towards the bullish side overall. So now we are looking for the bullish side, and let's check this point after this wave 3 4. Now that's possible here, that's possible. This is wave A, B and C, or we can shift this wave 3 at this point, and now correction may still is in play. Like this we count differently, but when we go towards the one point to another point step by step, then the along Elliott wave doesn't matter, because if we go with along with Elliott wave count, then we have the alternative counts. So let's check this point, this area in 1 hour time frame like this. Okay, so we count this move differently. Let's check this move first. Okay, so at this point we count like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. So if you see this wave 1 and this wave 4 overlapping at this point, or we count like A, B and C as wave 1 at this point. If this is the case, wave 1, 2, wave 3, 4 and 5, we count like this: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Like this as a brown wave. Then this whole count we count like as a diagonal, leading diagonal or ending diagonal, like this, from this point to this point. And now market this structure act as a correction like wave A, wave B, and now that's possible here. Wave 1, 2, 3, wave 4 and 5 towards the 6500. Then market go towards the bullish side. That's also possible. But we are looking for the bullish side because the overall index is going towards the bullish side. So let's focus to this structure like this is wave 3, wave 4 and this is wave 1, like this. Now we are in the wave 2 of this black wave 2. We count like wave A, wave B and now wave C may still is in play. So how we decide that we go towards the bullish side or wait for this wave C to complete, or that's also possible. This is the wave C already done here. So the best way is that we need to wait for the clear classic trading level pattern at this point like 800. Market give us the arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B, C. Then we will go toward the 7,000 and then 7,200. This is the way for the intraday setup. If market give us this pattern or the safe zone, if we are looking for the daily time frame as a day trade or swing trade, then we need to wait for wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Then we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern after these 5 waves. This is the way to go towards the daily time frame or with the day trade, like from 7 at this point to 7,200 and then 7,800. So if we are looking for the intraday setup, we need to wait for this 800 at this point, act as a sorry act as a tested support like this: arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C. This pattern clearly visible in 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame. Then we will go toward the 7,000 for the intraday setup. Otherwise, if we are looking for the day trade, we need to wait for this point. This way one give us the clear. We need to wait for clear impulsive move, then its correction, and then again we need to wait for the pattern like first high A, B and C. This is very good setup for the towards the 7,200. After at this point, after these five waves, if we go directly with the this current move in 15-minute time frame, then we go towards this 6,900 or 7,000 step by step with respect to micro levels, minor level and micro level. So if market give us this pattern, then we will go towards the wave 1, 2 and wave 3. Otherwise, that's possible here. At this point, this whole structure belongs to the correction like wave A, wave B, and now that's possible wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then market go towards the bullish side. So be careful at this point because the NASDAQ market cross this leg, and we count in NASDAQ like wave A, B, and C. So that's possible here. Market give us the clear impulsive move at this point as a wave C, and we count differently at this point. But overall, if market give us the classic trading level pattern like this: arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B, and C, then we will go with the new impulsive move in which we are talking about at this point in SP500, and then we will shift our stop entry point with wave B, and we shift our stop from this point to this point and then this point after crossing this leg. So this is the case for SP500. So let's go with the NASDAQ, starting with the daily time frame. So in Tuesday we will go with the stocks video, NASDAQ and its stock like Nvidia, Apple, Google, Meta and Tesla. So we will go with again with the NASDAQ tomorrow. So the case here at this point: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and now we count this point like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's possible. This wave 5 or this wave 1 we shift at this point. Then we will look for the correction, more correction like this wave A, wave B and wave C. Then we will go towards the next impulsive move towards the 28 and then 30. So in NASDAQ at this point, the main thing is that 25,000 the large number. So that's why we are looking for the bullish side. The stocks are going towards the bullish side, and this large number 25,000. The main thing is that market arrived, react, give us the first high above level A, B and C. So now at this point, this wave B may confirm us that market go towards the next point 28,000. So we will go towards this 28,000 above this wave B. So in the classic trading level pattern, we shift our entry point to minimize our risk, like arrival, reaction, first high A, B and C. Now we need to wait for, in 1 hour time frame, we need to wait for the impulsive move and its correction. Then we will shift our this entry point to wave B with the classic trading level pattern. So let's check in 1 hour time frame this move. We count the brown wave 1 of this wave 3, or we also count this move like wave 1 and wave 2. But the main thing is that this 25,000. Now this point act as a tested support. When the medium level act as a tested support, then we will go towards this group 2. Group 2 start with the 26,500 and its medium point 272, and then the end of group 2 28,000, and then the large number 30,000. This is the way to go towards the one point to another point. So let's check this area in 1 hour time frame. So at this point, market give us this wave 1, wave 2 completed here like wave A, wave B and wave C. So like SP500, that's possible here. Market go for the more correction like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4 and 5. But the main thing is, as this 25,000 give us the classic trading level pattern, like we always follow the classic trading level pattern. At this point, market arrived, gave us the reaction. Now market completed its first high at A, B and C. So this wave B is the trigger point for the classic trading level pattern like this. Sorry, this is the bearish pattern. Okay. So market arrived at 25,000, then gave us the reaction. After that, market completed its first high like same like NASDAQ. NASDAQ completed its arrival reaction first high above level A, B and C. Now this wave C completed at this point. Now we are looking for the impulsive move. We shift our entry point from this wave B to this new impulsive move high. After this high, we need to wait for the correction again, and we will shift our entry point from this new high to wave B. At this point, what happened? Okay, so now if this correction completed here with the classic trading level pattern, arrival reaction first high A, B and C. Now how we go with the in intraday setup with the next point. For the long term trade, we can go with this point wave B. We can, because the classic trading level pattern completed, and we need to wait for, the simple thing is that we need to wait for wave 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5, A, B and C. Then we will shift our entry point from this point to this point, or we can go directly with the this wave B with this stop loss at this point, but the risk will increase with this entry point and with this stop loss. So we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at this point. Then we will start our risk or with stop at this point after market completed its new move and give us again the classic trading level pattern. Then we will shift our stop at this point, then below 26500, then again 272 with the swing trade or day trade. Now for the intraday setup, how we go with this move. So at this point market crossed this 25,000 here. We need to wait for again classic trading level pattern like this. Market cross this 25 directly give us the first high. Now market completed its wave A, B and C. Or in the Elliott wave count, like we count wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B, C, or that's possible this is wave A, wave B, and now market again give us the wave C. So we can go directly with this point, or we need to wait for this correction to complete and then we will go towards the next point 25 500 and then 25 6 500 and then 25 800 at this wave B, toward this wave B. So this is the case for the NASDAQ. So let's go towards the DAX, starting with the daily time frame. In DAX, market completed its wave 3 and wave 4. Now we are in the wave, this large wave 5. So in NASDAQ, in DAX, wave 1 to wave 3 and wave 4. Now market, we are waiting for this last leg of this wave 1, this grey wave 1. So that's possible here. Market go like this, WXAB or WXY as a wave C. Market go more down and then go towards the next point like this. Or we count this move like wave 3, wave 4 as a triangle. If this is the case, then we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at this point here. Arrival reaction, first high A, B, C, then we will go towards the next point. So in DAX we are looking for the bullish side. If market cross this zone, then we will go towards the next number, the end of group 2, 28. So let's check in 1 hour time frame this pattern, wave 3, 4 and wave 5. So we count these moves starting from this brown wave, black wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This black wave 3 completed at this point. And now we count this area differently. Differently means like wave A, B, C, D and E. Now this wave D, leg of this, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at this point. Arrival, reaction, first high A, B, C. Then we will go towards the next point 26 and 26 500 step by step. Step by step means with the respect of minor levels and the micro levels. So this is the case in which we are looking. But the other possibility we count like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4 and 5 as a black wave 3, and this may wave 4 This may wave 5, of this wave 1. Now market go towards the deep correction like A, B, C, wave A, wave B, or WX and Y. Market may go like this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then market go towards the next point. That's also possible. But now we are looking for the bullish side, and the one thing is more. This 23,000, the end of group 1. Group 1 belongs to 23, 100, 23, 200, and 23, 300. So market cross this point and act as a tested support here. So if market as long as above this point, then we will go towards the next point, 25,000. Market not touch this point. So now, and if this 25,000 act as a tested support, then market go towards the next group 2, like 26,500, 27,2, and 28. So in DAX, we are looking for the classic trading level pattern at this point. So let's check the possibility here. So if this wave E completed here, now we need to wait for this 24,000 towards this 25,000 from this point to this point. The main medium level is 25,000. If we go towards the long term trade, then we need to wait for this 25,000 act as a tested support. Here like this arrival reaction first high above level A, B, C. Then we will go towards this group 26,500 for the long term setup. But as of now, if this 24,000 give us the first, we need to wait for this market cross this point. If we go safely from like this wave 1, wave 2, market give us the classic trading level pattern at this point, then we will go for the bullish side. We need to wait for market cross this point to confirm us that this pattern triangle completed and now market ready to go towards the bullish side. But if we want to go and trade in 15-minute time frame for the short term, then we need to wait for this 24,000 in 15-minute time frame give us the arrival reaction first high A, B, and C. This pattern is this pattern visible in lower time frame. If you check this like this, like this, like this, like this. So if we want to go from 24,000 to 25,000, this is the way. Or if we are looking for the clear setup, we need to wait for this wave D. Market needs to cross this wave D to confirm us that market ready to go towards the bullish side. So when market completed its cross this wave D, then market give us the pattern we like this. Then we will shift our entry point from this point to this point and this point like this, and we will go with the stop loss starting with the end of this pattern and then shift at this point. So let's go towards the FTSE UKS. In 100 index, market completed its wave 1, wave 2, and now this main wave 3 is in play. So we count this move like wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the main thing is that we are near towards this 10,000, the large number. So in 100 index, We are not looking for the trade for the bullish side or for the bearish side also, because that's possible. Sometime market crosses 10,000, then give us the pattern, or sometime market not touch the pattern and directly give us the classic trading level pattern. So we count like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we count this leg like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's also possible here. But indices going towards the bullish side and market goes strongly. So now we need to wait for the pattern. If market give us the pattern for the bearish side like arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B and C in lower time frame, then we will go towards the wave C, or the next point market go towards this 8,000 of wave 1 of this wave 3. That's also possible. Or if market give us the classic trading level pattern above this 10,000, then we will go towards this next number 11,000, 12,000, and 13,000 step by step. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, we count like this is the wave 1 and wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This move, this move we count like we can shift this point at this wave and wave 1 at this point. That's also possible, but this is not the issue. The count issue is that we need to wait for market move from one point to another point, from one large number to another large number. So the issue is that market, it is not the issue. The thing is that market completed its wave 1, or this wave, a black wave 1, near to the 10,000, and near 10,000 market give us a strong impulsive move. So that's possible here. Market go like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, 5, A, B, and C, then give us the this move like wave A, B, and C. That's also possible here. So as of now, in 100 index, we are not looking for the bullish or bearish side. But if market give us the classic trading level pattern in 15 and 13-minute time frame like this in 965, this is the micro group, like market give us the arrival, reaction, first low below level be 965, and give us the A, B and C, then we will go towards the 9500. So that's not the good thing to go towards the against the trend. We need to wait for the clear impulsive move, like we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B and C, then we will go towards the next point. So in 100 index market completed is this way 1 near to this 10,000, or that's also possible here. Market go like way 1, 2, 3, 4, and cross this 10,000 and then go towards the bearish side. If this is the case, we need to wait for this 9800 act as a tested support with the classic trading level pattern. So let's go quickly towards the DOW ASX 200. At this point, market go like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Okay, wave 3, wave 4, and this last leg pending like this. or market go towards this next point, towards this 10,000. First market go towards the group 1, then 2, and then the large number. After that, we will expect the bigger correction. So as of now, in Java we are looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this last leg wave 5. This leg may completed at this point. If this is the case, we are looking for the classic trading level pattern below 8800, and then this the main number 8000. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame, because in indices we are looking for the bullish side as of now. But if any possibility here to go towards the bearish side with the classic trading level pattern, we will go. So from this leg to this leg, we count like wave 1, 2, 3, wave 4, and now wave 5 may started, or this wave green wave 5 still is in play. And we also count this move like this wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 of this wave 5 of this brown wave 1. So that's possible here. Market completed its large move. And if this is the case, market completed its wave 5 at this point, then market give us the correction, large correction like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave A, then market give us the wave B and then wave C. So if we stick with this count, current count, like wave A, wave B, and wave C. Now, now if we are looking for the trading setup, we need to wait for this 800 act as a tested support. Tested support means that with the classic trading level pattern, market complete its wave 5 at this point or at this point, then market give us the classic trading level pattern like arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards this 9000 and then the 9300 step by step. So if market give us this classic trading level pattern, then from this point to this point we will say from 9000 in intraday setup. So now we need to wait for this classic trading level pattern. After this 9000, that's possible here market go towards the bearish side for this correction like A, B, and C. So in intraday setup, we are looking for this 800 act as a tested support to go towards this 9000. So market gave us this move like we 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. DJI, Dow Jones. So like other indices, we are facing the little correction here. Like wave. So let's check this overall move. Overall, market give us wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and now we are looking for this last leg, wave 5. We are looking for this last leg like wave 1, 2, wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and 5 towards this large number, medium number 50,000. So this is the case, overlapping waves like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave 1, wave 2, or we count, okay, this is safe, wave 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's check this area, this move in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, we count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, and wave 2. we can shift this wave toward this area like wave A, B and C. So if we are looking for the setup, trading setup, we need to wait for this. If market, when market complete its correction around 46500 or 46, then market give us the classic trading level pattern at 48,000. Arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go 48 to 50,000. This is the best way to go towards the bullish side. Market give us this pattern at 48,000. If market not give us the pattern go like this fast move, then how we think that market move to 50,000? How? The fast reaction belongs to correction sometimes. An impulsive move, when market give us this fast move, before this fast move market give us the classic trading level pattern. So in Dow Jones we count differently like wave 1, 2, like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's also possible here. We can count this whole move as a diagonal. Then market go towards the 45,000. But the main thing is that market we are expecting the large correction after this 50,000. Now we are looking for this correction. We need to wait for this correction to complete. Then market give us arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B, C. Then we will go towards the 50,000 like this. Arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Then after this correction, we can go with this wave B, or we need to wait for the impulsive move. We shift our entry point from this wave B to the new high of this impulsive move, and then we shift our entry point with this wave B. So this is for now. We will meet again tomorrow with the stocks. So take care. Bye bye.